Okay, let's look at 4.3.49. And you got the same thing. F of x equals log base 2 of x, and the minus 1 is in there with the x. What does that do? What does it do every time we put a plus or minus right next to the x? Okay, that's going to shift this graph to the right. Every point on this graph will shift to the right 1 unit. Okay, so it's going to look the same except it shifts, and so it'll, instead of having never quite reaching f of x, it'll never x equals 0 line, it'll never quite reach x equals 1 line, right? So it'll be like this. This will be the graph of f of x equals log 2 of x minus 1. Okay, you can substitute in values and try to figure it out. Like if I put the 2 in the original one, f of x equals log base 2 of x, 2, an x of 2, f of x was 1. All right. Well, if I put a 2 in for x here, that would subtract 1. I'd get back to here, and I get f of x equals 0. So I get 2 comma 0. And like what? Okay, so on and so forth. Okay. I don't think that's too difficult. The most difficult part about this one is putting it into MyMathLab. Maybe we'll have to do that together with screen sharing. Okay. 4.3.51 is almost the same as 4.2.45. Rewrite that. I suggest rewriting it. Let's see here. I suggest rewriting this as, there's my base, 5 to the y is my exponent, equals x. Okay, and thinking about it in terms of that. If y is 0, x is 1. If y is 1, x is 5. If y is 2, x is 25. Okay, so it'll look a lot like this, except it's going to be stretched. It's going to be compressed, I guess you'd say. And I still have this point, 1, 0. And then I'd have, instead of 2 here, I'd have 1, 5, and then 25. Okay, and then it would still squinch down to right here. Okay, that's good on that one. We'll do 2 more problems. I'll walk through 2 more.